Downers Grove South varsity boys basketball team season is about to begin. They are very excited to see what this season will bring for them.
Being able to play with all my friends, we should win a lot of games this year, hopefully win conference, and it'll be a lot of fun.
What I'm looking forward to the most this season is spend time with the guys. We're going to be really good this year. Last year we were really good. I think this year's team will be better, so I'm looking forward to that.
I think this group offers versatility, athleticism, size, quickness. I mean, it's just we're loaded. The depth with these guys and what we're able to do, be able to play 10 guys at any given point, at any given position. I just think our options, what we get to do on both ends of the floor is, limitless. And I'm just really excited just to get to the day-to-day and start, implementing some of these systems and concepts in with them.
The team has done a great job preparing for this upcoming season so far.
A combination of lifts, open runs, and conditioning. So on Mondays we have open gyms in the morning. Tuesdays is lifts, Wednesdays is open runs, and then Thursdays we have off. Fridays we have conditioning.
One of the varsity seniors this year, Joe Grippo, is seen as one of the varsity leaders for this year. Grippo can be seen as one of the players who play for the team rather than himself.
Grip is I phrased it last year as he's always in the right spot at the right time. He does everything right most of the time, but he works hard, he's vocal, he's a leader, he knows what I want, he knows what needs to be done with not only the other seniors but the younger guys as well, and he's selfless. He's all about the team. He doesn't matter if he plays 2 minutes or 32 minutes. He truly wants what's best for the Downers Grove South basketball team, and he's willing, to kind of do whatever needs be for that given time.
Overall, the team is thrilled to begin their season on November 22nd for the Blue vs. Blue scrimmage, and then on the following Monday to start off their first game season with the Bob Skinnick Thanksgiving tournament.